Yo, what's good? This your boy, the Jaguar MBZ staff manager. I'm right here with ZEEBO Laced.
Yo, what's good? What's happening? It's your boy ZEEBO.
Yo, what's happening? We's over here experiencing technical difficulties. We have seemed to have put a hold on both ZEEBO Laced and Kajibo Laced, both accounts of 3 to 5 business days, so we won't be able to get back on it until we get back to the hood. And basically, that's what we're doing now. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, we dropping epic rap. We dropping some insane ass instrumentals, insane ass lyrics, insane ass everything. You know what I'm saying? Follow me up. This go my channel right here. This on that ZEEBO MBZ Records. You feel me?
Yo, we are still bouncing back, shake and bake, Ricky Bobby. You know what I'm saying? But off tops, it is what it is. We cannot drop the Red Desk Blue Platinum due to technical difficulties. ZEEBO is still making his. He's gonna drop his album on his channel. It's gonna go down like this. Y'all want beef? We can battle rap, chunk 'em, and we can max the dude out. We won't pack you out, you know what I'm saying? We beefing. We can battle rap and we can max you out on the streets, everything. But YouTube, if you want funk, we can torch you down, we'll murk you, we'll pack you out. We'll pack you out 3 to 4 times. We'll do you dirty, we do you dusted and disgusted, you know what I'm saying? Down and dirty, you feel me? Nitty gritty, everything. Dusted and disgusted all the way. You can't phase this. You know what I'm saying?